Hi everyone, it's Vicky from Vicky's Tigger Tales, and today I've got a Bibbidi box. This is my May Bibbidi box. I received it today, and it is still May. Today is May 17th, so I'm really glad that Bibbidi has started their new shipping process. After you get your email that the wish list is available, the quicker you get to the wish list, the quicker you're gonna get your box. So I was super excited to see this today. We've got the gray box with the Bibbidi logo and all the fun little icons. Perfect condition. I actually took the wrapping paper off of it, and it did have a sticker on it that said fragile. So I'll just have the wrapping paper on it. It wasn't taped or anything, so I'm able to just get right into the box. And we've got the spoiler card in this, and it looks like we've got the Splash Mountain one again. I'm going to set that aside. Oh, there is a quick little note in here. It says, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. And then to change your option, please. I don't have to actually change the option. I always tell them to surprise me, because sometimes I do like boxes that have the bigger ticket items in them that are of more value. And sometimes I like a little bit of, a little bit of everything. So I just told them to surprise me, give me what you want. They usually are really good about trying to get everything off your wish list first. So hopefully in this gorgeous, really pretty iridescent bag, we've got a wish list item. So with that being said, I get the fantasy box, which is $59. Most of my wish list items were either a gym shore or a loungefly, and with my hand inside the bag, I can tell it's a loungefly or it's some sort of bag. So I'm not expecting to have anything other than this in here, because of the fact of the price of the box is just about, if not less than, the a loungefly or a typical gym shore, if you buy some of the bigger ones. And I am going to take this out of the plastic because I'm super excited to see what it looks like. It is a loungefly. It is a crossbody bag. I have actually grown quite an appreciation, more of an appreciation for these characters recently. And I saw this bag and I thought it was absolutely adorable. So I went ahead and put it on my wish list, and I'm super glad that they sent it. It is the Funko Miko and Flit bag. It's a crossbody bag. And look how adorable those characters are. They look so cute in Funko form. Now I'm going to have to get the Funko Pop of both of them to match it. But here is this placard I've not seen before. It just says Pop, and then it has Loungefly. I know that they merged companies not too long ago, so we've got a different bit of a placard on it. Inside, there is, here's the strap for it. Let me go ahead and just take that off real quick. It's braided, which I like. That's really kind of a cool feature. I'm trying to get the tape off of it real quick so I can show you a little bit better. The struggle is real. The strap itself is like a cream color, and it's braided. It's really super pretty. I like this. I like that it does come off too, because you can use this as a clutch. I usually typically wear mine as a crossbody bag, so I will be doing that for sure. And the lining looks like it's just a simple kind of like a slate blue. Yeah, like a slate blue. So super roomy. There's a lot that you can put in there still. I do tend to carry a lot, so this will be one of those, maybe one night at Disney Springs kind of bag. But then it has a little cute little tassel on the side of it where you hook up the, oh, what's this? Oh, that's super cute. It looks like just some leaves and stuff like that. A little bag charm next to the tassel, so that's pretty. But you can wear it as a crossbody or you can wear it as a strap. The strap actually, you just throw it over your shoulder if you want to, or wear it as a crossbody. And I like the fact that you can take it off too, the strap off. It's very versatile that way. Oh, super cute. So, let me set that aside because I'm sure that is the only item on the packing slip. Let's see here. Yeah, certainly is. Okay, so it is the Pop by Loungefly Disney Pocahontas Miko Flit Earth Day. Oh, cool, Earth Day. Earth Day all over print crossbody bag. And it's normally $65, so that's what the value of my box is as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I will have another Bibbidi next month. Next month is June. Sometimes I like to go ahead, and I probably will this time too. For June, I may be doing a different fandom box. Because June is Father's Day, and I typically do that box for my husband. So it's up to him. I will let you know, or you'll just see it in June when it comes up for that day. And keep your eyes peeled for that. I do have a couple other ones coming up. I had a couple of hauls that I need to get in the books, so you guys can see those. And there is one other thing that I am going to be doing, possibly with another YouTuber on a live. So keep an eye out. I'll make more of an announcement at some later date, but it should be really fun. You guys take care. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Keep things magical and have a Tiggerific day.